You can do this. It's just ordering lunch. You've taken French for 12 years. You got this.
Good day, madame. How can I help you?
How does she know I can speak English? Whatever.
Désolé, je voudrais pratiquer mon français aujourd'hui, s'il vous plaît. Are you sure? It's okay, I can speak in English. Oui, en français, s'il vous plaît. As you wish, madame. Alors, quel est bon chantier que Mélicoré Franche-Comté?
Oh my God, what did she just say? There wasn't one part of that I understood.
Madame, désolé. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Oui, madame. Bon chantier que Mélicoré Fauchemont?
Not again. She probably just wants your order, right?
Je voudrais un croque-monsieur. D'accord. Vous donc quel charimet?
How can I not understand anything? Maybe she wants my drink order?
Un coca, s'il vous plaît. We can speak English. Anglais it is.